in the blank with one word. Knock blank.
Knockdown.
Knock down. Knock, knock. Knock, knock. Well, finally got over here on this side. Y'all doing all right today?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
All right, let's go. Duran, how you feeling today,
Feeling
man?
good, Steve.
All right, brother.
The National Weather Service in Fort Worth has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Tarrant County and northeastern Dallas County until 4:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time at 3:32 p.m. Central Daylight Time. National Weather Service meteorologists detected a line of severe thunderstorms capable of producing quarter-sized hail and damaging winds in excess of 70 miles per hour. All locations in the warning include Fort Worth, Saginaw, Alls, Weterford, Richland Hills and River Oaks. All North Texas stations affected by this alert are requested to relay the preceding messages.